Hello students, I welcome you all to the Expert Lecture Series 2020-21 organized by BYK College of Commerce. In the previous videos, that is Prose 1 and Prose 2, we practiced how to solve activities on given scene extracts. For this practice, we had selected 4 scene extracts from different lessons. Students, watch all the videos carefully for your better understanding, and definitely it will be helpful to you for board exam. In this video, I will deal with poetry section. Poetry section has 14 marks in the board exam. 10 marks for comprehension and 4 marks for the appreciation. I have selected 2 poems, 2.1 Song of the Open Road and 2.2 Indian Weavers for comprehension and appreciation. Let us begin with the first poem, 2.1 Song of the Open Road, written by Walt Whitman. Before we start discussing the activities of the poem, let me tell you about the poem in brief. Song of the Open Road is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will, and tenderness of heart. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate with one another. The road signifies mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. In this poem, Walt Whitman talks about the people and places. Poet is ready to meet all kinds of situations that he may face along the journey. In the activity sheet, question 3 is set on poetry. Question 3a is based on comprehension activities and question 3b is based on appreciation. Question 3a, read the following poem and complete the activities given below. The poem is on page number 94 and 95 in the textbook. It carries 10 marks. Let me read poem loudly for you and listen it carefully. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road, healthy, free, the world before me. The long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, curious criticisms, strong and content, I travel the open road. The earth, that is sufficient. I do not want the constellations any nearer. I know they are very well where they are. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women. I carry them with me wherever I go. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. Let us see the activities based on this poem. Activity A1, it is based on global understanding. It carries 2 marks. Complete the flow chart showing the activities of the poet related to his journey. It carries 2 marks. Let us see the answer of this activity. Start his journey afoot on the open road. Next, choose his way to follow. Does not wish for good fortune. Separate himself from others. Ready to carry his burdens along with him. Next activity. Activity A2, it is based on interpretation. Write down the traits the poet exhibits through the following lines. It carries 2 marks. A. Henceforth I ask for no good fortune. I myself am good fortune. Answer. The trait used in this line is self-confidence. B. Henceforth, I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Answer. The trait used is positive and self-reliant. C. I do not want the constellations any nearer. Answer. Self-assured and independent. D. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. Answer. Clear thinking and knowing his mind. E. I am filled with them. I will feel them in return. Answer. The trait used in this line is aware and honest about himself. Next activity. Activity A3. It is based on personal response. A3. Would you like to travel the way the poet is narrating his journey? Explain. It carries 2 marks. Here I am giving my opinion, my own response. Yes, I definitely would like to travel the way the poet is enjoying his journey without having any fixed destination. I feel it is quite adventurous and a better way to know the places than having a planned schedule to follow. The freedom of choosing the direction on the spot will be thrilling. In the examination, any other reasonably correct personal response will be accepted. Activity A4 is based on poetic devices. It carries 2 marks. First activity. Name and explain the figure of speech from the following line. Still here, I carry my old delicious burdens. Answer. Transferred epithet. Epithet means adjective, and in this figure of speech, adjective is transferred from one noun to another noun. In this line, the adjective delicious is transferred from food to burden. Second, give one example of inversion from the poem. Answer. Strong and content, I travel the open road. Here, word order is changed for the poetic effect. The correct word order in this line is I travel the open road, strong and content. Activity A5. Write 4 lines of pre-verse on the topic, the road that leads to my college. It carries 2 marks. It is based on poetic creativity. Answer. One example is given here. In the examination, you have to write your own answer. The road that leads to my college gives me a hope to get the bright life. I walk on this road with confidence, as it will provide solution to my problems. In the examination, any other reasonably correct answer will be accepted. Activity next, question 3b. It is based on appreciation. It carries 4 marks. With the help of the following points, write a poetic appreciation of the poem Song of the Open Road. The points are as follows. The poem, title, theme, style, poetic devices, message, your opinion. We have to elaborate all these points in the answer. Let us see the answer of the appreciation. About the poem, poet, and title. Song of the Open Road is written by American poet Walt Whitman. The title of the poem is very significant as it indicates freedom, joy, and optimism. Walt Whitman was an essayist and journalist. He was the most influential poet of America and also known as the father of free verse. This is an inspirational narrative poem. This poem is an expression of happiness as poet expresses what he feels while walking on an open road. Theme of the poem: freedom, relaxation, and optimism are the major themes of this poem. Open road signifies mobility and symbolizes freedom, joy, and liberty. Poem explores new ideas throughout the poem. The poet encourages the readers to be true to themselves and live a free life. Poetic style, special features of the poem. Song of the Open Road is separated into 4 separate stanzas, with the exception of the first stanza, which contains only 3 lines. The other stanzas contain 4 lines of verse. The poem utilizes free verse. The lines are unrhymed and of varying lengths. Special feature of the poem is its first person narration, I, which represents every individual. The poet has used the special device of parenthesis by putting last stanza in bracket to separate himself from the worldly needs. Language and poetic devices used in the poem. The language of the poem is short, lucid, and simple. Poet has also made use of other poetic devices, that is, metaphor, paradox, and repetition, message, values, lesson. The poem inspires us to continue the journey of happiness and be optimistic as most of us have been blessed by freedom and ample opportunities. Opinion about the poem. I like the poem for its simplicity and optimism. The moods in this poem are open, relaxing, carefree, and stress free. The tone of the poem is light, calm, and cheerful. In this video, I have done poetic appreciation of the same poem, which is selected for comprehension. But in the board exam, there will be 2 separate extracts from 2 different poems for comprehension and appreciation. Let us see the second poem, 2.2, Indian Weavers, written by Sarojini Naidu. Before discussing the activities of the poem 2.2, Indian Weavers, let me tell you a brief introduction of the poem. Indian Weavers is a short poem where the poet talks about 3 types of garments that the weavers weave at 3 particular times of a day. Each stanza of the poem represents the 3 important events of human life. First, birth, adulthood, and death. The colors mentioned in the stanzas are very significant as they indicate the moods related to the events. Let us see the activities given on the poem. Question 3a. Read the following poem and complete the activities given below. It is on page number 100. Let me read poem loudly for you and listen it carefully. Weavers weaving at break of day, why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wing of halcyon oiled, we weave the robes of a newborn child. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave garments so bright, like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green? We weave the marriage veils of a queen. Weavers weaving solemn and still. What do you weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a cloud. We weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Now we'll solve the activities given on this poem. First activity, activity A1, rewrite the statements and state whether they are true or false. It carries 2 marks. First, the weavers are weaving garment for the newborn child in the evening. Second, in the moonlight, the weavers are weaving the garments for the dead man's shroud. Third, the poem shows 3 stages of man's life. Fourth, the questions given in the poem are for the readers. Let us see the answer of the activity A1. First statement is false. Correct statement is the weavers are weaving for the dead man's shroud in the evening. Second, true. In the moonlight, the weavers are weaving the garments for the dead man's shroud. Third statement is true. The poem shows 3 stages of man's life. Fourth one is false. Correct statement is the questions given in the poem are for the weavers. Next activity A2. Complete the table picking up the expressions from the poem. It carries 2 marks. Let us see the answer of activity A2. Time, color, person for whom the cloth is worn, occasion. The first one is break of the day. Blue color is used. Person for whom the cloth is worn is child. Occasion is newborn. Fall of night is the time. Color purple and green. Person for whom the cloth is worn is queen. Occasion marriage. Moonlight chill. Color white. Person for whom the cloth is worn dead man. Occasion funeral. Let us see the next activity A3. It is based on personal response. It carries 2 marks. Express your views about the present condition of viewers. Answer. Indian fashion industry is showcasing the beauty of handloom all over the world. Indian weavers are in a miserable condition that they are unable to cope with rising prices and cost of living. They are either ending their lives or shifting to some other profession. After migrating to cities, immediate solution to this problem is needed to save the traditional craft from extinction. Next activity A4. Write rhyming words and rhyme scheme of the stanza. First stanza. It carries 2 marks. Answer. Rhyme words. Day gay, wild child. Rhyme scheme used in the stanza is AA, BB. Activity A5. Add your poetic lines in rhyme with the given line. Carries 2 marks. It is based on poetic creativity. We weave the robes of a newborn child. Answer. We weave the robes of a newborn child. We use the cloth that is soft and mild. It never makes it wild. Question 3b. It is based on appreciation. It carries 4 marks. With the help of the following points, write a poetic appreciation of the poem Indian Weavers. The points are as follows: the poem, title, theme, style, poetic devices, message, your opinion. We'll elaborate these points in the answer. Let us see the answer. About the poem, poet, and the title. The title Indian Weavers focuses over Indian artisans, particularly weavers. The adjective Indian is used with a definite purpose, appreciating the work of Indian weavers. As the weavers intertwine the fabrics, the poetess aims to interlace a message through the poem. Sarojini Naidu has artistically won the poem named Indian Weavers. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence. Sarojini Naidu's work as a poetess earned her the sobriquet of Nightingale of India. Theme of the poem. The poem Indian Weavers highlights the craft and skill of Indian weavers. It is a short poem consisting of 3 stanzas having 4 lines each. Each stanza of poem represents the 3 important events of human life. The poetess talks about 3 types of dresses that the Indian weavers weave at 3 particular times of the day. Metaphorically, each time and the dress weaved in that time symbolizes a particular stage of life. Poem consists of a discussion between the poetess and the weavers by using symbols of clothes and times of the day. Sarojini Naidu has summed up the line of human beings in 3 main stages. The language, poetic style, poetic devices used in the poem. The language is very simple to understand by the reader. The poetess uses number of literary devices to express her ideas like simile, imagery, metaphor. The poem has the rhyme scheme AABB. It is a short poem consisting of 3 stanzas having 4 lines each. Each stanza of poem represents the 3 important events of human life. The poetess talks about 3 types of dresses that the Indian weavers weave at 3 particular times of the day. Moral, message, opinion about the poem. The poem teaches to accept joy and sorrow in our life. All of us experience happy and sad moments. When we are happy, we share our happiness. But when we are sad or depressed, remain positive. We should involve ourselves in some constructive activities like hobby or listening music, etc. It also dignifies the work of the weavers. Similar type of activities will be taken in the upcoming video. For extra practice, read all the poems and keep ready all the poetic appreciations in advance. Take care and all the best for studies. Thank you.